shit, fucking shit. Hey guys, I just witnessed an accident. Literal fucking accident. Shit. Shit, man, shit. Police को ना कर रहा था कोई ना. I know share ना हो रहा है वो चलिए. Someone there. Police call.
Narrow, please narrow. Pani leke pani pani.
That truck hit him from behind, didn't
I don't know what happened. It's horrible, isn't it? Shit. Actually swear slide over. Mami जी ना शेरी ना यो एम्बुलेंस आने दो ना.
Pehले narrow, please narrow.
Πήρα εγώ τηλέφωνο.
Έχουν χτυπήσει, σας παρακαλώ γρήγορα.
Τι κάνεις ρε μάκα τώρα, εσύ βρήκες να τραβάς με